When darkness rises,
I will not fear.
When the enemy attacks, your word is my victory. Lord, let your truth live within me. When the storms begin to gather and fear knocks upon my door, I remember every promise, yeah, written in your holy word. Your voice is stronger than the thunder, sharper than the finest blade, yeah. Every lie of the enemy is broken when your truth is proclaimed. Your word became my refuge when my heart was filled with pain. It lifted me from every valley and gave my soul new strength again. The wisdom of this world may fail, but your truth will always stand. Your word is the solid rock upon which I firmly stand. Hey, your promises never fail.
Your covenant never breaks.
Heaven and earth may pass away,
but your word remains forever.
Okugibu Mma Agha. Hey, Okugibu Mma Agha. When temptation comes, I will stand.
When trials arise,
I will believe, oh, forever my shield and strength. Hey, like David before Goliath, I come in the name of the Lord. Not by power, not by might, but by the authority of your word.
your truth destroys every stronghold. Your light exposes every lie. The chains that once surrounded me can no longer hold my life.
Your word heals the brokenhearted.
It restores the weary soul,
It gives sight to those in darkness.
and it makes the wounded whole. I will hide your word within me, so my feet will never stray. It will be the lamp before me, guiding every step I take.
Your truth is my defense.
Your truth is my defense. My confidence is in you.
Every battle, every mountain,
Every giant must bow down for your word.
they never fail.
Never fail.
Oh,
Okugibu Mma Agha.
Okugibu Mma Agha.
Okugibu Mma Agha. Okugibu Mma Agha. Okugibu Mma Agha.
Okugibu Mma Agha. Ah! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hey!
Ihe na ndụ. Okugibu Mma Agha.
Okugibu Mma Agha.
Okugibu Mma Agha.
Okugibu Mma Agha. Onye ga-emeri.
Onye ga-emeri n'aha Jesu. Okugibu Mma Agha.
Go, 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 go. Your word spoke,
And the heavens were created,
your word spoke,
and the Red Sea opened,
hey, your word spoke,
and the dry bones came alive,
hey, your word spoke.
and Lazarus walked out of the grave.
Speak again, oh Lord. Let every fearful heart receive courage.
Let every broken life receive restoration.
Let every weary soul receive fresh strength.
For one word from you changes everything. When my own strength fails,
Your word strengthens me.
when my faith is tested,
Your promises sustain me.
when the enemy whispers defeat,
Your truth declares victory.
I will not build my life on the opinions of people,
I will build it
on your everlasting word. For King
When darkness rises,
I will not fear.
when the enemy attacks, your word is my victory. Lord, let your truth live within me. When the storms begin to gather and fear knocks upon my door, I remember every promise, written in your holy word. Your voice is stronger than the thunder,
Sharper than the finest blade. Every lie of the enemy is broken when your truth is proclaimed.
Your word